Cooking healthy dishes is one of the most repeated purposes we love to achieve in our homes every day. And these tasks can be much easier if you have the appropriate kitchen utensils. In addition, among all the household items available, there are a series of accessories that are essential for your day-to-day. But first, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. What are the kitchen utensils you should have? There are endless options of kitchen utensils like 5-in-1 cutters, specific cutters, bowls of all sizes and more, which although they are flashy, may not be as necessary, contrary to a sharp quality knife, which is a tool that we all need. Without further ado, here's our list of the 10 best kitchen utensils you must have because these are things that are used every day and we think are best in everyone's home if you plan to cook something more continental. Number 1. A good set of knives. We recommend a total of 3 knives, which are a chef's knife, a vegetable knife, and a serrated knife. Sure, there are many other special knives, but these are the ones that should not be missing. A chef's knife is good for most kitchen tasks, such as cutting fruits and vegetables, meat and fish. It is the everything knife. We recommend spending a bit on a good quality one because as long as you treat it right and sharpen it often, it will last a long time. A paring knife is great for cutting smaller things like fruit or making more precise cuts, while a serrated knife is good for cutting bread. Number 2. Cast iron skillet. Cast iron skillets distribute heat evenly and are great for browning meats and have high enough rims for frying. They just require a little more care. You can find a great cast iron skillet at an affordable price and it lasts a long time. Many people are intimidated by its maintenance, but it is very simple. A cast iron pan is not washed with soap and water. It is simply cleaned or washed with water, dried completely, and rubbed with a neutral oil. If you're skilled at cooking in cast iron and taking care of it, you're good to go. Number 3. Frying pan. We love a large classic saute pan and fry pan, ideally with a lid, that you can also use as a stock pot to boil things or make sauces and soups when you don't want to use a big pot. A non-stick skillet is perfect for cooking things that stick. We recommend one with a ceramic coating. Once it starts showing scratches, buy a new one. Number 4. Dutch oven or cocotte. A good Dutch oven helps both retain heat and distribute it evenly. Because it can go from stovetop to oven, it's great for braising, simmering, and creating soups. But they are super versatile and are used for just about everything, from stews, soups, and sauces to rotisserie chicken. They are a worthwhile investment. Number 5. Baking trays and cutting board. Another of the kitchen utensils that cannot be missing are baking trays and a cutting board. They are excellent for baking and roasting. We recommend having at least 2 to optimize cooking time. Consider having small trays as they are more manageable, but large ones are great when cooking for many people or multiple things at once. If it gets warped, tilted, or rusted, it's time to get a new one. A cutting board prevents the occurrence of scratches on the countertop and also protects the blades of your knives. Although there are many materials to choose from, wood is still one of the most recommended. Also, the cutting board must be sanitized frequently to prevent bacteria from accumulating. Number 6. Silicone spatula. A rubber spatula is a do-everything tool. It eases the cumbersome task of removing food from pots and pans. It is used to stir or scoop all the sauce out of a bowl. It is much more practical than a wooden spoon because you can take everything out of a pot or stir with it. We love them, and we surely know you'll. Number 7. Metal spatula. A metal spatula is perfect for flipping eggs or scraping up any leftovers from pans. If you're cooking in a non-stick pan, order a plastic or silicone spatula so you don't scratch or damage the pan. Number 8. Tweezers. Tongs are more like an extension of or alternative to a cook's hand. Silicone tip tongs are handy for turning meat, stirring vegetables, or moving hot ingredients from a pan to a plate. Indispensable. Number 9. Beater. If you want a good beater, look for a wire or French whisk that has a good handle. It is useful for beating eggs, emulsifying dressings or sauces, and much more. Beating eggs can also be done with a fork if necessary. And when we don't have this tool, we resort to cutlery. Something similar happens when making a French omelette. Believe it or not, the difference between a good and a bad omelette can be in the tool used to beat the egg. Number 10. Bowls. Bowls are a perfect choice for preparing food, tossing leftovers, transferring ingredients, and more. While a full range of sizes is great, you can get away with a good medium bowl. We prefer aluminum if you can only have one as it is durable. But a set of glass mixing bowls is also great. Finally, without a doubt, kitchen utensils are key in our daily lives. And with these 10, we assure you that your culinary tasks will be much easier. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel. Do well to share your thoughts about the 10 best kitchen utensils you must have in the comment section below. Thank you.